Again. Too slow. Come on, this should be a walk in the park for you. Again. Proper good job, mate. Now go get a sidearm. Good. Now switch to your rifle. Now pull out your sidearm. Remember, switching to your pistol is always faster than reloading. Using your knife is even faster than switching to your pistol. Knife the watermelon. Nice! Your fruit killing skills are remarkable. Captain Price wants to see you. It's the FNG, sir. Go easy on him, sir. It's his first day in the regiment.
Right. What the hell kind of name is Soap, eh? How'd a muppet like you pass selection? Soap, it's your turn for the CQB test. Everyone else head to observation. For this test, you'll have to run the cargo ship solo in less than 60 seconds. Gaz holds the current squadron record at 19 seconds. Good luck. On my go, I want you to rope down to the deck and rush to position 1. After that, you will storm down the stairs to position 2. Then hit position 3 and 4, following my precise instructions at each position. Grab the rope when you're ready. Go, go, go! Hit the targets! Shoot the other target. Position 2, go! Hit the target! Flashbang through the door! Shoot the other target. Position 5, go! Hit the targets! Go! Sprint to the finish! That was too slow. Come back to the ladder and start over. Grab the rope when you're ready. Go. Sprint to the finish! All right, Soap, that's enough. You'll do. Climb up the ladder if you want another go. Otherwise, come over to the monitors for a debrief. Gentlemen, the cargo ship mission is a go. Get yourselves sorted out. Wheels up at 0200. Dismissed.
free. Bridge secure. Hold your fire. Gaz, stay in the bird till we secure the deck. Over. Roger that. Squad, on me. Stairs, clear. Last call. Hallway, clear. Loosely tight. Crew quarters clear. Move up.
Forward deck's clear. Green light on Alpha. Go.
Too right, mate. On my mark, go. Check your corners. Hallway, clear. Move up. Check those corners. Clear right. Stairs, clear. Movement right. Tango down. Hallway, clear. Check your corners. Clear left. Move up. Stand by. On my go. Standing by. Flashbang out. Go. Catwalk clear. Got you covered. Move up. Squad, on me. Move up. Keep it tight. Guys, right side. Stack up. Ready, sir. Go. Clear left. Clear right. Move. Movement right. Move up. Forward area clear. Move. Clear left. Clear right. Stack up. Stand by. On my go. One ready. Two ready. On my mark. Go. Tango down. Report. All clear? Roger that.
I'm getting a strong reading, sir. You might want to take a look at this.
It's in Arabic.
Baseplate, this is Bravo 6. We've found it.
ready to secure package for transport.
No time, Bravo 6. 2 bogies headed your way fast. Grab what you can and get the hell out of there.
Fast movers. Probably mix. We better go.
So, grab the manifest in the container. Move! All right, everyone topside. Double time. Warcraft, Griffin, what's your status?
Already in the helicopter, sir! Enemy aircraft inbound! Shit! They've opened...
Bravo 6, come in. Bravo